this. Hold it here. Okay, let's go. Come on. What if some rabbit was out? That would be so cool.
Rabbits?
Rabbits, yes.
Yeah, not around here. I mean, there are rabbits around here, but I don't think they're out right now.
What is that? What is it? Trace, what's that? Trace, Trace, what's that? Put it in here. Put it in here. Trace, put it in here. Put it in. Yay.
Good job.
Come on. Come on. There's another one. Let's go find some more. Trace, do you see any more? Trace, come on.
Go get them. Go get more. There's more.
Look, do you find any? Do you see any more eggs? What's that? Look, over here. Trace. Trace. Look. Look. Oops. Get it. Oh my goodness. She was on.
There's another one right there. There's another one. There's a blue one.
Trace, come here. Trace, look, there's another one. Trace.
Boogie Boogie. Trace,
Trace, look, come here. Turn around.
come get the egg.
Trace, come here. Trace, look. Trace, Trace. What is that?
Yay! Okay.
Put it in the bucket. Come over here. Silly.
He said, why do they all taste the same when they're all different colors? All right. Uh-oh.
Come on. Trace. Trace. What is that? What is that?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Did you put any over here?
Uh-uh.
Trace, this way.
Nope, I just kind of went around this way.
Trace! Trace, come here. Yay! Trace, right here. Yeah!
Come on, Trace.
Trace, come here. Trace, come on. Trace. Look. Trace.
Come on, Boogie. They all taste the same.
And like flash. Trace, come here. There's some more. Trace. Come on.
Baby.
Where do you get all them at?
I bought them at Target.
Where were they? Where'd you hide them?
They were in a plastic bag.
Well, where were you hiding them?
Here, let's close this up real quick.
Were they all over there?
Huh?
Were they all over
There's
there?
some over there.
Here. Carry it.
I didn't put any in between the shed and the or the trailer and the garage because that's Ziggy's spot.
Oh,
Here.
Look, Trace.
They'll find more than eggs over
Is that
there.
another
oh, he knows what they are.
Mm-hmm. Yay! Put it in the bucket. Okay, let's go find more.
one? And that one.
More.
On the trail.
There's some on the tree. And over by the shed.
Trace.
Come on, Boogie.
Come on. Okay.
Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Come on.
Trace. Hey, come here. Come on, let's find more.
More.
There's more. Come on.
Yay! Come on.
There's something out here.
That is carbon from the aquarium. It's good.
Why? Why'd you put that here?
It's good for the ground.
Trace.
All right, come on. There's more. Come here. More.
More? Come on.
Put the egg in the bucket. Put it in there. Good job. Go get this one. You see this one?
Come on. Ow. Trace. There's another one. Don't stand there, Zoe. Come on. Trace, there's more. How many was there?
I don't remember.
So cute. Trace, there's more.
Put it in the bucket. I see another egg.
Trace. Trace. What is that?
Come get this. Look. Get it and put it in the bucket.
Oh, get it.
I tried to make them not too hard to find, you know. All right. No.
No,
Come
Trace,
on.
Trace, this way.
Come on.
Is that another one?
Don't let him trip over that, please.
Come this way. Gotta go around. Alright, let him go.
Uh-oh. Oh, yay. Put it in the bucket. Yay.
Are there
There-
any more over here?
I think I put some by the garage.
Trace.
If I didn't, I put them over there.
I know there's still some left.
Yeah, there's some over there. Trace, get your bucket. Put the eggs in the bucket. There you go. Hold the bucket. Here, hold it like this. Hold it with this.
You didn't put any over here.
Okay, then they're all over by the patio.
Daddy! Daddy! Go get your daddy! Come on! What are you doing?
What are you doing, silly boy?
You're gonna take pictures with your eggs?
Keep going. Keep going.
Trace, there's more. Come on.
We gotta get the rest.
Ziggy.
And Ziggy's going crazy.
Come on.
Ziggy being silly. All right, let's go. Let's go get the rest. There's more eggs. Dumb dog. Good dog with dumb. Come on. Put it in the bucket. Pick it up. Put it in the bucket. All right. Look, Trace. Trace.
Look, Trace. There's another one.
Yay! Come here, buddy. Look.
Come here. Trace.
Here's your egg. Is that an egg?
Looks like there's more.
I want to say that's it.
Oh, he had what, like a 12, I think?
I think. All right. Yay!
No, look, Trace.
Yes, he gets to have sugar today. Lots and lots and lots of sugar.
Yay! And then look. Trey. Open it. Close it. Close it. Here. You want me to take off the wrapper before you do that? Look.
You want to take him inside?